Right, we restarted the original PC. I opened the same file, and you will see when I go to manufacture, stuck at this process. This is the setup 1. If I change to setup 2, it's still there. Change to setup 3, it's still there. But when we change the PC to the other PC and install the new Fusion 360, that was still there, but that's fine. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I copy this. Where's this? I'm gonna copy this file into a new folder and open it. I copy it in a temp folder there. It's there now. This is a copy. In theory, I open it. So we are not talking about and it's still there, but the original file. Okay, I go back to manufacturer design, create a sketch on this surface, and I try to make square here. No, cannot make square or any lines, line or circle, nothing's there. Right, doesn't matter. Right, basically I'm just clueless. Obviously the PC and the PCs and the video cards were plenty good enough. The model itself is good. It's not a complicated model or so. If I copy that model to another folder, the copy behaves exactly the same way how the original one. Right, if I install a new fresh Fusion 360 on another PC, it's gonna behave exactly the same way. So that's it basically. I'm 100% sure there is something with the Autodesk Fusion 360.